Pilots ready, watch this now as they pull back on the stick and launch into the sky.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it. There you go. You're welcome.
Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Let's watch the C-17 demonstration. As it approaches from the left in a high-speed pass, the large, fast, and quiet, and very efficient with these engines as well. For a lot of the airflow and flying as slow as possible, here's a great look at the CC-177, the Globemaster 3. Using a heads-up display and a control stick, much like the one in the F-16. And listen to, again, this power from these Pratt & Whitney engines and this giant flying machine. To turn and bank the giant Globemaster 3. And I see that Quinte is up to his antics again. I have no idea what's going on with the truck following him. But stay tuned, more on that story in a moment. As you see the tight turning radius of the giant Globemaster now approaching you head on. What incredible picture! Tag QIAS 16. Quinte International Air Show. Major Harbu and Major Hurt doing a masterful job of flying the demonstration for us today. And again, the loadmaster on board, the Sergeant Roach, just the 3. All that's needed to stop right here at Show Center. Watch the reverse thrust, the engine nacelles will move forward. Stand by for the noise. How about that, ladies?